terrorist base, destroyed by American forces while defending civilian relief convoys, has yielded documents that provide important clues regarding the GLA's toxin program. Reports suggest that a key research facility, as well as a possible source of funding for the lethal program, have been identified. Although the US commander will not provide confirmation, our network analysts predict that if the intelligence is reliable, America will respond. This is James Seabury, reporting from Falcon Base.
General, Colonel Burton and Black Lotus are in position. Their primary objective is this secret laboratory. Its location was revealed by the documents captured during your last mission.
This is too easy. I'll be there.
Once she has completed her download, Colonel Burton must bring down the mountainside on the lab and bury it forever.
I'll be your spotter for perfection. Colonel Burton here. Let's see what you got. Hidden identity. Deadly efficient. I know. Right here. I'll take anything you give me.
All right, I see the POW camp. Looks like they have a tunnel network that passes under the river.
Let's take their buildings from them. Their building is ours.
Nice work, Lotus. Tunnel's down here. Just take care of a couple guards, and I'll have everyone free.
Sniper here. I'll be your spotter. What do you got? Needs an attitude adjustment. Deadly efficient. Let's get to the action. Colonel Burton here. Hidden identity. What do you got? Let's see what you got. This is too easy. I know my way around. Deadly efficient. Sniper here. On what do you got? Deadly efficient. I've seen it all. This is too easy.
Our Colonel Burton has been detected.
Come on, punk.
Thanks for the rescue, sir. A couple of our men broke off to check out the village east of here before we were captured. They may still be over there.
Congratulations, General. I'm sure the families of those men will be happy to hear they've been rescued.
They won't notice me.
General, the GLA's lab is directly north of your current position. There are a number of GLA defenses still along your route. Be careful.
I'll fire at anything.
Deadly efficient.
I'll be your spotter. Hidden identity.
I'll scout ahead. What do you got?
Sniper here. Hidden identity. Sniper here. Hidden identity. I'll be your spotter. I know my way around.
I'll scout ahead. I've seen it all. Keeping it cool. Colonel Burton here. Trained for perfection.
I see every hidden
Our
identity.
Colonel Burton has been
Colonel
detected.
Burton here.
General, it appears that there are several GLA radar vans in the area. If your forces get too close, they will be detected.
No one's looking.
Right here.
Let's pop some tanks. Sure thing.
Keeping it cool. I yeah.
Congratulations, General. You have been promoted.
Come on, punk. Where are we going? I'll take anything you give me.
I'll be your spotter.
I'll scout ahead.
They won't
Trained
notice
for
me.
perfection. Let's go in there. Keeping it cool. Trained for perfection. No obstacles. Ready for action.
General, the GLA have
Clean it
upgraded their
out.
tank
Colonel
shells
Burton
to
here.
contain
This is
poisons.
too
Be
easy.
careful.
Anybody home?
Unit
Deadly
lost.
Colonel Burton here. I'll be there. What do you got? No obstacles. Deadly efficient. Colonel Burton here. I've seen it all.
General, my forces are moving on the final GLA position this side of the river. Please
Keeping it
inform
cool.
Colonel Burton that he should hurry. Prefer not to wait too long for him
Deadly
to jump.
efficient. Where are we going?
Those vehicles will come in handy if the intel about the defenses around the mountains are correct. General, we've got to rescue them
Hidden
too.
identity.
Special Forces here. What do you got? Deadly efficient. This is too easy. Colonel Burton
Unit
here.
lost.
I've seen it all. Need a point, man? What do you got?
I see everything.
Deadly efficient.
Looks like a whole GLA base. Intel never said anything about this being here. Doesn't look like they were expecting me. A little C4 here and there, and I'll make short work of this place. Just say the word, General.
Always prepared. Special Forces here. Always prepared. Army's elite. Taking new position.
Sniper here. I'll be your
Special
spotter.
Forces here. Ready for action. Army's elite. Search and destroy.
Unit lost.
Need a point, man? Heading out. Always prepared. I've seen it all. Is there a threat? Colonel Burton here. This is too easy.
Unit lost.
Where are we going? This is too easy.
Our Colonel Burton has been detected.
Pin him down. Keeping it cool. What do you got? This is too easy.
This vehicle has two modes. The first generates a continuous microwave field in front of the vehicle, very lethal to all infantry. The second allows it to disrupt the functions of any targeted building.
That's some new toy. General, if you focus in at those tunnel networks and Stinger sites guarding the mountain, I'll slip right by them.
Come on, microwave emitters ready. Keeping it cool. What do you got?
It appears that those oil derricks are the only
Sniper
source of
here.
income for the GLA base.
Looking.
If you can destroy
I'll
them,
be your
you will
spotter.
cripple the GLA here.
Right here. Colonel Burton here. What do you got? Needs an attitude.
Our Colonel Burton has been detected.
Come on. Let's get to the action. I'll be there. Trained for perfection. Power
Unit
coupling
lost.
optimized. HPM vehicle standing by.
I see everything. Sniper here.
Deadly efficient. Where are we going? Keeping it cool.
Unit lost.
I see everything.
Trained for perfection. This is too easy. Microwave emitters ready. HPM vehicle standing by. Right here. Trained for perfection.
I'll be your spotter on the path.
General, I'm ready and waiting at the lab. Whenever the Colonel would like to
Escalating energy
arrive and
pulse.
finish this mission.
Well, Lotus, you're fast. I'll give you that. Be there as soon as I can.
I'll be there. I own him. What do you got? Microwave emitters ready. Deadly efficient. Colonel Burton here.
Hidden identity.
Power coupling optimized. HPM vehicle standing by. What do you got? Come on, punk.
Unit lost.
Microwave
Our
emitters ready.
Colonel Burton has been
Right here.
detected.
Let's get to the action. This is too easy. Waypoint calibrated. Wave generators activated. Colonel Burton here. I own him.
Unit lost.
I see everything. I'll scout ahead.
Keeping it cool. Let's see what you got.
Sniper here.
Right here. Where are we going? I'll be there.
All right, I'm at the mountain. Tell me when your download finishes, Lotus, and I'll bury that lab where no one will ever find it again.
I have the data. Now, Colonel.